So OS level, suppose some commands. So if you want to connect to the operating system level to execute something here, you can connect to the HDB SQL. So I want to connect to the database as well, database host as well means slash and the DB host, suppose like DB host, same DB host, but that is fine. So DB host. Otherwise, some argument, some syntax we have to use it here. So suppose user hyphen u means the database user, then hyphen p, p means password, database password here. So whatever the password you set here, that password of the database here, then hyphen d, database details here, HDB. To execute it, that command will be connected here. Welcome to the HANA database interactive terminal here, right? So if you want to know the some more help commands here, slash h, then see here, some more commands will be displayed here. List the columns, tables, and everything. It will be displayed here. So here you can execute the queries here. So so system, alter system, alter system, the stop. So database, alter system, stop database, database name. Suppose you want to stop only specific tenant. Okay, I want to stop only tenant database. Then you can use this commands here, right? Alter system based stop tenant only. But I connected to the tenant DB creately here in the command prompt. Then you need to use the quit. Then again you can connect to the database. So with the password, then you can use the alter system stop. I want to only stop that entity database. I don't want to stop the system DB. So you can use it here. You can use these commands here. So, alter system stop database. So otherwise, I want to create the one more tenant database. So suppose like I want to create the one more tenant database here. Simply, if you have the HANA Studio is there, open the SQL console here. So, here you can use the commands. You can use the commands here to creation of the tenant database here. Suppose like one more tenant database. Suppose like to creation of new tenant database, we can do it from the system DB here. System DB, system DB, we can perform it here. So in this case, we have to use the query. This is the query, we have to use it. So create database, database name, suppose like HD1, create database name. So system user, then password, then whatever the password you set, it will set the password. Then click on the OK button. See, database is getting created. So some commands to create the new tenant database. So tenant database means definitely if you type the HDB space info, there is a one more index server will be created. One more index server will be created here. See, one more index server got created here, right? One more index server got created. So see, index server is getting created.
The XCS engine. Oh.
So access engine, same access engine will be utilized. So same access engine will be utilized for the both. Normally tenant means each tenant we have the system DB, sorry, one index server, access engine. So access engine also will be utilized. Same access engine will be in the utilized for the each tenant actually. Will it is created.
Ravinder, without Access engine, the DB can't run, right?
Yes.
But I could see one scenario in my real time actually. Uh, there is no Access engine, but still the DB is running.
Access
Is there,
advanced, I guess. Or you guys are using the access advanced. Means they are the multiple access process. Multiple access process. Maybe some people will use the access advanced one, they will use it. So in that case, access advanced means they are the three process will get access, UAA, something access related, some development related perspective applications. They will use the access applications there. So instance number 00, and then tenant DB, right? So tenant DB details we have to give it here, HD1, then system, then the passwords. So tenant DB got created here. One tenant DB got created here. You see? So the commands are the main process here. The commands are the very, very important process here. So commands. So, and if you want to stop that one, so just you can use the, here also we can use the system, alter system, stop database name, stop database name. Click on the OK button. So stop database, right? So alter system, alter system, stop alter system, stop database. So which database you want to stop? So HD1. Then you can stop only specific tenant without impacting the others. You can stop only specific tenant. So the queries will be executed here. Okay. See, stopped it here. So suppose if we want to drop, we want to delete, right? Suppose we want to delete the tenant database, you can use the drop, drop, just to drop command. Drop, so database name. But don't drop HDB. Whatever the new tenant you created, you can drop it. See, it is dropping. Dropping means it's deleting. Drop commands. So it will delete the new tenant which we created. So it is deleted. See here, it is progressing. So deleted, successfully executed. So that's why we can execute the commands. And also, sometimes system password got locked. Okay. Sometimes system password might be locked status, or so you are unable to log in. So tenant DB, system DB, you are able to log in. Tenant DB, you are unable to log in. Password is corrupted or something. Then you can reset the password from the tenant DB itself. So like you have to log into the system DB, you need to use the commands. You need to use the commands. First of all, we have to take the database offline. So then we can use the commands like alter system, alter system. Alter database. First of all, stop the database, alter the database, alter database. So database name, suppose like which database, suppose like HD1. So which you deleted. So then system user, then password, then the new password which you need to set. So the new password which you have to set. So then click on the OK button. So that query will be executed. So currently we don't have any HD1 database which we deleted. That's why it's coming the invalid. If you execute for HDB, your existing password will be reset. So that's why. So we can use the alter commands to reset the databases and everything. Right? That is the one thing here. Suppose we want to reset system user password. So maybe system passwords. So system DB, tenant DB passwords, if we want to do the reset. So maybe system DB password also corrupted. Then we need to stop the database. So then we need to stop the database here. Just to go to the CD exe, then HDB reset HDB reset user system. So you need to use the command like HDB. So reset user system. That commands we have to use it here, operating system level. So HDB name server, maybe system DB, right? Name server. Then reset, then user, capital user and system. If you use this command HDB name server reset user system here, then it will ask the password of the so system DB system user in the system DB. We can reset it out here. So since first of all we need to stop the database, then we have to do the reset. Suppose example, let me set the why, because if you change the password now, it will impact the all the users here. So that's what I'm checking. So what we have to do, we need to stop the DB. Means in the system password is there, we can log in, but password is deleted. So password is not working. Then you need to reset the password, system password. Then so system DB also not working and a tenant also not working. Then you can use the operating system level some commands. So to do this kind of things here, Same as like in the tenant DB also we can perform it here. Tenant DB we know how to reset it out, right? So if you know the system DB, then tenant we can reset it out by using the system DB. So that's what we can do it here. So maybe if you want to reset the password for the tenant also at operating system level, same commands we have to use it. So I will show you the command now. Once it is stopped, which time it is taking for stop. Function refused. So which database is down. So sometimes see how much time it is taking. Stop. It has to unload everything and again it has to load. So these are the some general useful commands. Creating the tenant database, stopping the tenant database only specific. So people will ask you, we have the more than 3 tenants are there. I want to stop only specific tenant database only. Then how can you do that one? If you use the HDB stop, everything will be stopped. System DB, including all the tenants, will be stopped. I want only specific tenant. Then you need to connect to the system DB. Then you need to execute the commands like so alter system stop database. Some commands, if you use it, it will stop the only specific tenant will be stopped here. Specific tenant DB will be stopped status here. That's what we can say. We want to only start the specific tenant and then alter system start database. Alter system stop database, alter system start database. Drop the database, then database will be deleted. So then if you want to reset the system password, then you can use the system password in the tenant database. The tenant specific tenant you have to use it here. Okay. So at operating system level, So you have to use this command here, operating system level. So we have to use this command
This is
here.
only the way of resetting the system DB password or
Yes,
reset user system. Okay.
only this is the way.
How to reset tenant DB password here? I mean, in operating system level.
HDB SQL, I think, and then probably using what?
Okay. Thank you. Okay, so it's stopping. See, it's taking some time. So yeah, it's stopped now completely. Yeah, this is only commands we have to execute it here. So if you want to reset the only this one, then name server hyphen reset user system. So that it will execute the command. See, then it will ask the enter the new password. See, new password it is asking here. So then we can enter the new password here. Then confirm the password of the system user. So new password, confirm. See, it's done. So password reset is done, right?
So I just have a question. Uh, so this is just to reset the. This is the only way to reset the password for DB or the user.
DB password we don't have, right? Users we have the
User
password.
password.
Yes.
Yes.
Only
Okay.
password of the users. That is the only system user, super user password reset.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the one. So in case if we want to reset the password, this is the system DB, system user password reset in system DB. Suppose if you want to reset the password of the tenant database user. So system DB you reset it out, you will go and you will do that one. But I want to reset the password of the tenant database as well here. Then you can use the HDB index server. Previously we used the name server. This is the index server hyphen port, then 3 instance number. So the port number you have to give it here, internal port number here. So what is the port number? 3 instance number 03. Then hyphen same reset. So user, then system. So same you have to use it here. HDB index server. So spelling mistake. So you have to use this one. So it will reset the password of the tenant database here. So then you have to start the name server system DB. You have to start it. Okay. Then tenant database we have to stop it. So in this case, what you have to do? System DB should be up and running. So then system password we reset. So then start the database, stop the specific tenant, and then reset the password. So once that system DB name server is started, then we can connect to the system DB. We can reset the password from using this command, or OS level also we can use the commands. That's the normal procedure.
For system DB, both should be down, right? System and tenant while resetting the password. And
Yes,
for tenant
yes.
DB, only the tenant.
Then, yeah, for resetting the password, if you stop the HDB stop, everything will be stopped, right? So then,
Mhm.
you need to reset the password of the system DB, system user. But for resetting the tenant, tenant one, tenant one, what we have to do? See, if now we have done the reset, then one more person is created at almost. One more person done the see index server is created. We deleted previously, created again. In the class itself, people are doing
Can we
HD2.
can we get another server for this particular for this one?
So not possible.
Because everyone is
Then in this case, as I
applying.
told you, right, I need to restrict the OS level access. It's rare. Why? Because HANA uses a lot of memory. We have the shortage of the hardwares. In that case, people has to stop the doing the installations, uninstallations, resetting. So many things that people are doing here. In our batch only, then how can we restrict?
Yeah, yesterday also. So every day it is facing in the class, right? When you are accessing, you are not facing the issue. But when we are accessing, every
Yeah,
time we are facing the issue.
alter. So alter. So now, so if you want, you have to stop that tenant DB now. Alter system. Stop. So maybe in the one of the classroom person only, I guess he is doing this kind of things. As I observed, why? Because we are telling the class and he is executing the commands only. I don't know is that alter system stop database. Now we can reset the password of the system. So same HDB index server, same hyphen port number, same internal port number 3 instance number 13. Then so sorry 303 internal port number hyphen. So reset the syntax you have to clearly give it here. User system first letter capital.
Sir, can we not stop this tenant DB from this waste level only?
Voice level, yeah, we can stop it. We can connect it and we can stop it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's possible. That's we can do that one. So now let me check the passwords are working or not. Why? Because since we done the reset, the tenant. So alter system start. Start database. Rare cases, these commands will be useful to you whenever you want to stop. Some scenario times, only stop the specific tenant, start the only specific tenant. So this kind of that time only, this will be very much useful here. Index server. So now we need to stop this index server as well. We need to delete. So now it is started, right? So alter database, alter system, stop. So the database details are HD2. Okay, the person created the HD2. So then I'm using the HD2 command. Okay, it is executed. So then drop. So we use the drop database name that will be deleted.
And sir, here we are individually doing it, right, via SQL command. If
Right.
OS level, if we do like HDB start, HDB stop, what happens? Like all of them get started or
All of
only?
them get started, all of them stopped.
Okay.
That commands there is no control. It will start all, will stop all. So commands, so SQL commands we can use it. So these commands, so we can filter and we can stop only specific databases. We can delete specific databases. That's possible.
Sir, your voice is breaking actually. Couldn't hear properly.
Oh, again the problem started. Let me. Is it audible now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So database got dropped status now. So yeah, commands we can use it to specific to the that one we can stop it. And also operating system level, one more thing, there is a resident HDB LCM. So for the post installation activities purpose, we have the resident HDB LCM here. Suppose if I go to the here, so resident HDB LCM. So here for the to perform the post installation activities. So like renaming the SID. So uninstall the system, install the system. So updating the components. Some other post activities we have to use the resident HDB LCM here. Resident HDB LCM tools here. So these tools will help us to do the some kind of post related activities here. So in that case, what happened? So root user, then so here what I have to do, we have to go to the /HANA shared, then HDB /HDB LCM here. So /HANA shared /HANA shared. So HDB. So HDB. So these are the file systems we know, right? Log files and everything. There is a CP MNT. There is a local file systems. In the MMT, you see a lot of things are there here. /HANA shared HDB /0. So file systems. So file systems, this under this one trace directory is very, very important. Backups will be stored into the backup log file here, backup here, right? So it's a very, very important, these things. We go to the under the MMT, what are the systems are up and running, that will give you the so clear information here. What are the systems are there, that will provide the informations here. So SIDs, number of SIDs here. So that SIDs will be displayed here. Okay. So what we can do now, that's fine, I think. So the tomorrow we'll start about the high availability concepts on a HADR, that